this video, you'll see riders meeting the most angry people, so make sure to watch it till the end. This rider was riding his bike, enjoying his day, when an old man suddenly appeared in front of him and started an unnecessary argument.
What?
Slow down. When I ride my bike, people try to run me over.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
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 So when I run into you,
you know what? You're on YouTube, okay? Plus Facebook.
Good.
Alright?
Put it on there, would you?
You're already live. I'm
Put on how you ride through here.
That's the way I ride because they're stupid motherfuckers like you.
Oh yeah? When was the last time you raced?
Huh?
I raced the
never
Bob.
race, you
I raced the
stupid
Nova
fuck.
1000.
Well, good for you, you fat.
You stinking.
Alright, come on. You're on Facebook.
I don't get
Hey, you started this shit. Come on. Come on.
Come
on.
down.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. I'll take my shit off. You want me to take my shit off? Hold on. Hold on. No. No, I'm gonna take I'm gonna take my shit off. And then I'm gonna look at No. I got you on.
After a while, when the rider removed his helmet and started fighting back, the old man realized that he was not a teen and began backing off.
Come on, you right there, baby.
Slow down a little bit.
Come on.
I said you go ahead and ride.
You see this shit, family?
I said
You
go
see
ahead
this
and
shit?
ride.
No. No, you wanted the box, baby.
Slow down.
You're the one that started with me. Now,
I asked you a question.
I'm not going to kick you once. I'm not going to kick you once. You want to go? Come on. You're the one that fucking stopped in front of me.
I asked you a question.
You're the one that stopped in front of me. You're bullshit. You can hurt me. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I can't hurt somebody. No. All one. Now drive off, bitch. Drive off.
This driver was trying to fight with the rider for some reason, but honestly, he looked so funny doing it.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Really?
What are you going to do? I have a helmet on.
Come on.
What are you going to do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that.
Get the fuck off me, faggot.
Get on your motorcycle and drive off. I'm a 45-year-old man. Get on your
You.
You're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
Oh, I'm on dash cam?
Yeah, you're on dash cam. Dash cam.
Yeah, look at your plate, you fucking
Dash
faggot.
cam. Dash cam.
Shut the
That's
fuck up.
all.
A lady driver got furious with a biker for lane splitting.
What kind of is that? You just cut everyone off?
All right, ma'am. That's assault right there.
Just forget it. Just forget it. Hey,
That's assault right there.
just forget it. Just forget it. He's an idiot. Forget it.
Go ahead and give me your tag
But
number.
the rider handled the situation so calmly and let her go. These riders were stopped by a man for simply passing near his home. He threatened them with a stick in his hand.
Ja, men med kanteken alla är väldigt blij om att kvar.
Ja, men vad heter du?
Här kvar! Upp då under du! Här kvar! Upp praten! Om du har äggat sig! Annars är det problem! Här kvar Johan! Ja men loss!
The lady tried to calm him down, and the riders made a smart choice to walk away without escalating things.
Här kvar! Det är svinkillar va? Förlåt! Ja där ja! Ja där ja!
This biker was stopped by his neighbors for riding too fast in the neighborhood.
Why are you driving fast over here?
First gear?
We got you on camera.
First gear.
Slow down, dude. Please.
First gear. Yeah.
Don't say please. No.
First gear. You can come over to my house if you want. We can all have a chat.
Let's talk right here. Why are you speeding? There's kids here, dude.
Yeah? They could stay in the driveway. Is the street
neighborhood, dude.
Is the street a playground?
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, I know.
Slow the
What it
down.
is? I know what it is. This isn't a playground.
Slow down.
This ain't a playground.
I don't give a fuck. Slow down. It's a neighborhood.
Whatever, man.
Whatever. Get out.
Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man.
While a group of riders were enjoying their day, a random car driver suddenly stopped them and got angry because he didn't like their wheelies.
Do what, dude?
You got guys right there waiting on y'all.
That's okay. What are you about hit us, dude?
Hit us your
There ain't nobody want no problem. We're in the middle of the road, my guy.
I'm just trying to go home.
Then go. Well, you stopped. We didn't stop.
Yeah, stop because y'all are causing problems.
Well, you're starting a problem, my guy.
What do you mean? Do you want me to call?
I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight.
I'm starting trouble when you're riding a fucking wheelie down the road. And that's my problem. That's my problem. You're a professional, so you just take the road. Yes, I'm a professional.
You stopped in the middle of the goddamn road. At least we were moving. Me? Go the fuck home.
Okay, buddy. That's cool. Whatever you think you're fucking bad.
Go home.
Do something. Go home. I ain't gonna hit nobody. I'm not into that. I just want to go home.
Go the fuck home. Go home.
You just gonna be riding through the road like that?
Go home.
Look who's blocking traffic now.
Yeah, right, bud. Defend whatever you
Get in your fucking car. I don't.
Okay, good. Big man.
Go home.
I'm going home.
This rider was testing his bike after fixing some issues, and an old man jumped in front of the bike and stole the keys.
Dude! What the fuck? What the fuck is your problem?
You get this fucking thing off of this road.
What the problem, dude? Are you crazy? Calling the cops, man. You're out of control.
Okay, go for it.
Give me my key.
No,
Give me my key.
you can when the
Dude! Hey!
when the
Hey!
get here you can, you son of a bitch.
Hey! You get off my bike. Old man, knock it off. You're out of control right now.
It's okay.
What is your deal? What the
You're out here pulling wheelies and racing.
I just got here. What the are you talking about?
I watched you right there pull a wheelie.
And?
Cops, call the cops.
You're crazy, man.
Tell you what, you stay off of this road.
Is this your road? You own this road?
Huh?
You own this road?
No, I don't.
No, you fucking don't. Give me my key. Give me my key. You're doing something real bad right now and you need to stop.
Yeah.
You need to stop.
I'm gonna go call the cops.
I will call the cops. Give me my key.
I'll go call them.
Give me my key.
No, 'cause then you're gonna leave.
Give me my key. Right now. Give me my key. You are stealing my property right now. You need to stop. You need to stop.
Yeah.
Dude.
Call the cops.
Hey, you need to... You need to stop, please.
Don't move your fucking bike.
Dude, you are out of control right now. Holy shit. Hello, I took a road. I was testing out my bike, and this guy just jumped in front of me and took my key from my bike. And he just ran inside. And he jumped in front of me.
If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more thrilling content.